Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our debate for today. And the topic for today is artificial intelligence. Whether artificial intelligence will make human jobless in the future or not. So we will have two teams in this debate, and the affirmative team and also negative team. We will welcome two members from affirmative team who are Hải and Minh Anh, and also another member from negative team is Miss Chi. So as the first member delivering our opinion, I want to say that in the future, artificial intelligence will receive human in some certain job, because AI enable machines can perform dangerous tasks. According to Wang in 2009, the use of AI in hazardous environment is growing because the intelligent machines and systems are reliable and practical, and also are better able to perform dangerous and laborious tasks than human. AI and robotics are designed and used to make safer working environments in fields such as nuclear energy, deep mining, and deep sea operations. On the other hand, robots are useful in situations where human cannot be sent. On the other hand, AI can send quick and more accurate warning. For instance, robots are used in June 2010 in Mexico or cleanup. With the help of robotics, human laborers can be free from harsh and unsafe conditions such as super high temperatures and freezing cold temperatures, extremely humidity, chemical risks, and also nuclear radiation. Besides, on manufacture, an article for industry, AI can be used in manufacturing not only to make process more efficient, but also keep human workers out of harm's way. An opportunity to leverage AI and machine learning in manufacturing include product development, logistic optimization, predictive maintenance, and of course robotics.
Yeah, for this situation, I totally disagree with you. Because it is something that people today are experiencing a lot of panic symptoms that, okay, artificial intelligence, or as we know it, AI, can really replace humans' work or not? The answer is true. So if you ask if people will lose their job because of AI's replacement, they have to ask human is that person, and that person has how much is the value per market demand. Jack Ma make a agreement and well, AI 20 and 19 held in Shanghai, China a few weeks ago, saying that AI will certainly make people work less, but he sees it as a good thing because humans will have more time to live by Jack Ma. Deduce that the next era in which AI has a lot of work, humans only work 3 days a week and 4 hours a day. But it is a good thing because humans will have more time to live. As Elon Musk debate with Jack Ma, this could lead to the end of mankind. in the future, and that the last tech left in the world is AI programmer. Jack Ma argues to Elon Musk that it is not something to worry about because although AI is intelligent in those, but humans are more intelligent within the and humans are still superior to AI. I quite agree with Jack Ma because although AI is smart, but it is not as good as humans. And there are many things that AI can do, such as volunteer work, social work, and nurse, uh, their therapists or psychologists, job, uh, job, job recognition skills, and especially in various fields of arts, professionals to use the left hemisphere for the most part occupation that often involves emotion such as artists, designers, engineers are still safe because that profession relies on special skill, original idea, and difficult to copy. There is no fixed pattern. That is my point.
Well, actually, I think that um, it is not necessarily true because assuming machine could eventually learn 99% of what people do, surely they will be capable of maintaining and improving themselves more efficiently than we ever could. Lack of rest Moreover, lack of rest, personal stress, boredom from repetitive, repetitively, um, repetitive, repetitive from like a regular task, even hangers are all particularly human problems when compared with machine. Similarly, repeating the same motion and doing the same thing every day get dull for human, and that's what machines were made for. For instance, staying up all night impacts your work performance in the next day. According to Sleep Foundation, .org, the lack of sleep is prone to cause lack of focus, decreased reaction times, irritability, and error. On the other hand, computer never needs to sleep no matter what their operational ability is the same unless the power is out.
In my opinion, artificial intelligence can replace many jobs that have lower costing and increase the profits for owners. Nowadays, many nations have pushed the economy towards increasing the deployment of artificial intelligence and robots. Thus, these artificials employ don't need to be paid or provide for and will mm, in, inherently increase unearned profits. These artificial intelligence and robots are so plentiful and so efficient in their ability to learn, adapt, and perform their jobs and meet basic needs of everyone within a society. There would be an initial cost to develop and build artificial intelligence and work robots, as well as associated with maintaining them. Take this as an example. The latest size come out of Chinese factory in Dongguan City, China. The factory recently replaced 90% of its staff with machine, which led to a staggering 250% increase in productivity and a significant 80% drop in defects. The factory has automated equipment in the warehouse, and autonomous transport truck. The factory was run by a staff of 650, which has now drastically reduced to 60. This is my opinion.
Yes, I see your points, but only certain capital menace power human do not. A lot of capital is invested to make or buy robots, and they need to be managed and supply power for their running. Their software and equipment costs are too high. Artificial, artificial intelligence is generally decided to excel at a very ex, specific set of tools. They will really be able to satisfy an entire occlusion, which in most cases requires much more versatility and adaptability. On the other hand, human resources are quite affordable and reliable. Humans agree to work at a much lower income as compared to the heavy cost recorded to hire a lower will accompany profits. With artificial intelligence level, robots are shipped with patterns run into the hundreds of thousands, and a salaried worker working 80 will take many years to reach the same expense that a robot cost could cost the company in the matter of days. That's all.
So, Miss Hai, do you agree or disagree with the opinion from negative team?
I disagree with Chi. I think a recent World Economic Forum report estimate that nearly 50% of the full-time workforce companies will shrink over the next few years. It will create demand for new jobs position. For AI to properly, humans will be needed to take work, improve it, and manage it. The World Economic Forum indicated that the new position will require additional skills for managing the interface between technology and human. This is my opinion.
Yes. So it seems like everyone will have their own opinion, right? And they are all considered as correct in a certain situation, right? So it's the end of the debate for today. Thank you for joining us, and you are free now. Thank you.